Hey guys, I made a Cinnamoroll piñata for my niece's birthday. I searched for an image, adjusted it to the size that I wanted, and printed it out. Then I traced it onto cardboard and cut it out. Cut out 2 pieces for the front and back. For the sides, I made strips that were 4 inches wide. Bend the strips and make a tab to add the candy. Using an X-Acto, cut 3 sides of a rectangle, turn the cardboard over, and slice the 4th side to create the tab. I cut a smaller shape on the front and back pieces to make it easier to break. On the front side, I covered the hole with a paper bag. You could cover the backside with as many layers as you want to make it more difficult to break. Repeat this with the other side. Next, glue the strips to one of the pieces. I used extra pieces of the paper bag to connect the ends of the strips. At the top, make 2 holes to hang it. I twisted the X-Acto to make the holes. Added string, tied a knot, and also taped it. Then glue on the other piece. Next, I covered the edges with streamer. For the curves and corners, cut slits and press them down. Fold the streamer multiple times. Cut slits and unfold it. Starting from the bottom, add streamer. Partly overlap the previous row until you reach the top. Then trim the shape. Repeat this with the other side. Next, I added a border to the tab. Add layers of streamer to the sides, starting from the edge. I made a slightly smaller strip and cut slits on both sides for the center. To make the face an outline, I traced the image onto a roll of paper. I made 2 mirrored images for the front and back. and use these paint sticks to color the back of the paper. Then cut them out. I colored these cheeks separately because they were too close to the outline. I glued the outline in sections. If the streamer lifts up, add glue. Then I added the face. Add your treats and hang it. And here's how it turned out.